Minecraft Education Edition, recording a video of your world. One of the ways you can get students to showcase what they've built in Minecraft is by doing a screen recording. In this case, we're going to use Microsoft PowerPoint installed on our desktop. From a blank presentation, I'm going to navigate to the Insert ribbon and then I'm going to click on Screen Recording. I will then be able to select the area that I'd like to record. In this case, I'm going to select my Minecraft screen. And then I can press Record. I can then navigate through the world, and students can also talk about what they've built. When I've finished, I need to press Escape on my keyboard and then hover up near the top. I can then stop my recording. My recording will then be dropped into the PowerPoint. If I go to playback, I can then also trim the video. So I might want to get rid of the start and the end of the video. If I'd like to then save this as a video to watch outside of PowerPoint, I can right click and go to Save Media As. I can then save this file in a place where I can locate it afterwards. In this case, I've saved it on my desktop. If I double click, I can now see the video, and students can also talk about what they've built.